Bigger isn't always better. Larger homes may seem glamorous, but they're also more expensive to purchase and maintain. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or an empty nester looking to downsize, buying a smaller home can come with financial perks. Whether you're maintaining your home or simply cleaning it, having a small home helps you save money. Having less space can make maintenance and upkeep easier and less time-consuming. It could be the difference between handling a weekly cleaning yourself or needing to pay for a cleaning service. A smaller property also means less time and money spent on lawn care and landscaping. Even if you can handle those things on your own, a larger space still means paying for more supplies and covering higher maintenance costs. Consider the opportunity cost as well. With a larger home, you may end up spending the day on home maintenance and upkeep when you could otherwise be working or enjoying your life.